It started as a system everyone relied on. A simple messaging network. Fast. Clean. Invisible. Messages moved from one user to another in milliseconds. Names, numbers, confirmations, updates. Everything flowing smoothly across the city. No one ever thought about how it worked. Because it always worked. But then, something changed. Small inconsistencies appeared first. A name missing a letter. A number showing up in the wrong format. A delivery status marked incorrectly. At first, it looked like minor glitches. But they kept increasing. Inside the control room, Alexa was called in. The system dashboard was no longer stable. Messages were still flowing. But incorrectly interpreted. Not lost. Misunderstood. Suddenly a message appeared on the screen. David sent 25 messages at 2:30 p.m. Alexa immediately switched to VS Code. The cursor blinked. She started typing. Message equals David. Sent. 25 messages at 2:30 p.m. Print message. The message output displays on terminal. Now she thinks and wonders. But what type of message it is? So she now writes. Print type message. Output shows as class string. A string she knew is just text enclosed in quotation, either single or double. No matter what it looks like, numbers, time, names, everything becomes just characters. And type is a Python function to display the type of data. Alexa frowned. Everything was being treated as a single string. One block of text. No separation. She whispered. It doesn't understand parts anymore. She started breaking it down manually. Name equals David. Messages underscore count equals 25. Time equals 2:30 p.m. Print type name. Print type messages underscore count. Print type time. The system responded as class string. Class int. Class string. Alexa nodded slowly. Now it made sense. Names are strings, enclosed in quotes. Counts are integers, whole numbers. Time is structured text. But the system wasn't doing this automatically. That was the failure. Another message appeared. Active, yes. She thought carefully. Active is not a string. It's a state. She corrected it. Is underscore active equals true. Print type is underscore active. Boolean, bool, only two values, true or false. Used for decisions. Active or inactive. Delivered or not delivered. No interpretation. No confusion. Just truth. Alexa leaned back slightly. The system wasn't broken. It was blind to meaning structure. Another message arrived. User David has balance $1,500 and 75 cents. The system stored it as raw text again. Hopping to the VS Code, Alexa types in. User equals David. Balance equals 1,500.75. Currency equals USD. She now checks the types. Print type user. Print type balance. Print type currency. Output. Alexa whispered. So even money has structure. Balance here is a float, which has a decimal point. Next, she tested an interaction. Print balance plus 100, and the output is 1,600.75. It worked. Because both values were numeric types. But then she tested something dangerous. Print, user plus balance. The system failed immediately. Type error. Alexa paused. The system is mixing incompatible types. String plus number is incompatible. Number plus number is compatible. It wasn't broken. It was confused. This is the exact reason the system is unstable. It is mixing incompatible types. She looked at the incoming message stream again. Everything was still flowing, but incorrectly interpreted. She started rebuilding the structure in real time. Every incoming message was mentally rewritten. David, string, identity. 25 integer, quantity. 2:30 p.m. string / time format. True Boolean, state. Slowly, the system began stabilizing. Not because data changed, but because interpretation changed. She ran another test. Status equals delivered. Print, type, status. Output is class string. Delivered here is a string. So she corrected it. Status equals true. Print, type, status. Output is class bool. True is a Boolean value. Boolean, bool, has only two values, true or false. Now it made sense. Delivered or not delivered is a simple state. Another corrupted message arrived. David has 1,000 messages. Stored as count equals 1,000. Print, type, count. Output on terminal is class string. Alexa leaned closer. It looks like a number, but it isn't. She tested. Print, count plus 50. Output is 100,050. She sighed. That's not addition, that's just joining text. She need to fix it. So she types. Count equals int, count. Print, count plus 50. Now output is 1050. Now it worked. Alexa documented the truth. Int converts text to integer. Float converts to decimal number. str converts anything to text. Bool converts to true / false. Now she wonders, can this data be typecasted or converted into different form? Suddenly she sees incoming message. Balance 500.50. She types in balance equals 500.50. Alexa converted it. Balance equals float balance. Print balance plus 99.50. Output is 600.0. She smiled. Now the system can calculate, not just display. Alexa whispered. If everything is a string, nothing is understood. The system stabilized. Not because the data changed, but because understanding changed. For the first time, everything seems stable, clean, precise. But then, a new message flickered on the screen. User _ David _ logged _ in _ successfully. Alexa frowned. No numbers. No booleans. Just text. But something felt wrong. She tried to read it quickly. It was hard. No spaces. No clarity. She typed. Message equals user _ David _ logged _ in _ successfully. Print message 0:4. Output is user. The system paused. Strings weren't just text. They had structure inside them. Hidden pieces, positions, patterns. Alexa whispered slowly. We fixed data types. But we still don't understand strings. Because sometimes, the problem isn't the data type. It's what's inside the string.